This is the final match of table tennis in the Tokyo Olympics 2020 between Ma Long and Fan Zhendong. The men's single event and the women's single event have ended. China still dominates this sport. Both gold and silver medal are for Chinese players. The team event will start tomorrow. Today we will analyze the game between Fan Zhendong and Ma Long. Why Ma Long has beaten Fan Zhendong in this final game. This is a wonderful match because it makes Ma Long the first male player in history to get a double Grand Slam title. All of the Chinese coaches are applauding for the champion. Ma Long has beaten Fan Zhendong 4-2. At the age of 32, Ma Long still dominates table tennis. This was an amazing performance of Ma Long. His knowledge and techniques are supreme. This shows that the next generation of China still needs to learn a lot from Ma Long. Sorry for Fan Zhendong, you need to wait for the big brother Long. Maybe until Ma Long can't play table tennis anymore. Coach Liu Guoliang put high hope for Fan Zhendong. Fan Zhendong should be the next captain of the China team. Losing Ma Long again confirmed that Fan Zhendong still needs to improve a lot, especially in the control of the flow of the game. He said, the men's single gold medal was for two players. In fact, two people are champions in our hearts. Fan Zhendong won half of the gold medal because two people hold the gold medal together. They represent China and the Chinese table tennis team.
更多的我觉得这场球马龙还是赢在经验上吧，赢在经验比较丰富。作为樊振东第一次参加奥运会能够打进决赛，特别是半决赛赢了林昀儒那场球，应该来说还是为这块金牌、为这个国家的荣耀还是做了巨大的贡献。所以这块金牌我觉得是两个人共同拿下的，这个马龙是拿下了这届东京奥运会的男单金牌，但是同样樊振东也赢得了大家的信任，也是我们国民心目当中的冠军和金牌。
其实今天樊振东1-2落后之后，我看他回去里换了一件衣服。您觉得当时就在换完衣服回来之后的那一局，是不是还是没有调整好自己的一个情况？
我觉得他那个节奏呢，还是希望能够尽快的扭转吧，因为今天的局面整体上还是在马龙的控制。刚才我说的，在第一局的争抢其实就已经非常激烈了，这个在后边上这种高手过招，谁先抢下一局，谁的心理就会更有优势。我觉得其实从实力上来说，樊振东完全不在马龙之下。马龙毕竟打了这么多年大赛，打了这么多年奥运会的决赛，所以他在这个场上的节奏，在这个整个的这个比赛的经验上还是占了优势。我相信樊振东如果再积累再强一点的话，还是有机会的不管怎么说，走下领奖台就重新开始了我们现在就要从零开始，就全力以赴准备团体赛。
Let's analyze the game. Ma Long has won 57 points and Fan Zhendong won 51 points, 6 point difference. Ma Long has only 21 points lost on serve. Fan Zhendong has 25 points lost on serve. This shows that Fan Zhendong was more nervous than Ma Long. Ma Long is totally controlling the game today. Fan Zhendong can't pass Ma Long. Ma Long's backhand today is very strong because it is very consistent, with little unforced errors. This is the game flow. Ma Long started the game very well. This shows that Ma Long has prepared the game better. He has less pressure than Fan Zhendong. He won 7-0 early. Fan Zhendong tried to come back, but it is too late. Ma Long won 11-4. For the next game, Fan Zhendong tried to attack more to the forehand side of Ma Long. Fan Zhendong won the next game 12-10. For the bronze medal game, Lima has defeated Lin Junru with only 1 point difference, a very close match. For the next game, Fan Zhendong tried to be more aggressive, but the more aggressive he was, the more error he made. Today, Ma Long played very well. His forehand is more consistent. His backhand block and topspin is very consistent too. Ma Long didn't try to win with force, with power, but he tried to control the pace of the game. Fan Zhendong is in the attacking mode, but he can't pass Ma Long. He is just too good on both sides. Ma Long has very good variation at the fourth game too. In table tennis, if you can't win with your attack, then you will lose. Fan Zhendong didn't know the way to pierce Ma Long's defense. The only hope for Fan Zhendong is using the backhand to backhand attack, because backhand powerful topspin is the strength of Fan Zhendong. But no, Ma Long's backhand is even better today.
上世纪50、60年代就是在世界上最好的选手之一。这样我们累积了这么长的时间，这么多成功的经验，我觉得。
Ma Long said that there is no pressure to fight Fan Zhendong, although the technique is up and down, but just let go and fight. He described the feeling at this moment as dreaming. It is not easy for us to walk this way. The epidemic has not lost the color of these Olympics, but many games such as the semi-final, including this final, are the most exciting. He also said that when encountering opponents like Fan Zhendong, he must always remind himself to stay focused, because if there is an opportunity, it may be different. He is now the player with the strongest technical and tactical ability in the world. His ability to win may be because he has more experience than him. He was more stable than Fan Zhendong today.
有一个，我觉得，首先还是需要肯定自己吧，因为也付出了很多，也。
Fan Zhendong said after the game that Ma Long played very well today. Can feel his desire to win. The situation of the game was controlled by Ma Long, and he had a chance to reverse it, including the chance in the sixth game, but there was still a needless mistake. He also said that because he has never played in the Olympics, it is normal to get a silver medal. He hoped that he can make a good adjustment for the team competition. First of all, you still need to affirm yourself, but there is still a distance from the goal.